on Kids Toys.
Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you the blaster shot. So I'm going to be opening it up. You can fix it, and it also has 4x battery power and 120 bullet pieces. You also have to build it. These are the pieces. It also comes where you can put the bullets on. And it also comes with a vest. These are the bullets. There's a lot of bullets. This is the body of it. It comes with glasses, and it comes with a mask for you can wear. It comes with a vest. It also comes with attachments. These are for the bullets, and you can tighten these up. Now I'm gonna be building the gun. You have to press this little button here so you can shoot.
It comes with 4 batteries and charge batteries. Okay, Mark?
Yes.
And this one. You like this one?
Yeah.
You put the battery, here. It's open. Here, I think 1, 2.
And I'll listen to this here.
Okay. And put this one here. Oh, look, Mark.
There's so much.
Oh my God. And this one. What this one?
It's an attachment.
No. This one for hand.
Oh.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, look here. And this one. Mark, sorry.
It comes as an arrow to tell you which side it is.